Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Previously, I made a video about how by doing some side hustles or learning new skills, we can increase our income and it can help us to have some extra room for savings, investing, or reach any other financial goals. Now, if you haven't seen that video, I will link it here in the corner somewhere so you can go and check it out. Now, in this video, we are going to dig a bit deeper into the side hustles ideas specifically for students. It's difficult for students to manage their finances while they are in school. So today we'll be discussing about 7 magical gigs that let you earn some extra cash while still acing your exams. Now, before we get any further in the video, let's follow our usual drill. If you're watching this video and you're interested in these type of topics and you haven't already subscribed to the channel, well, why? So go ahead and hit the subscribe button and turn the notification on so you don't miss any future videos. Alright, let's jump right into today's video. So the first side hustle idea is online coaching. In my previous video, I talked about the importance of monetizing our skills. And I'm gonna say it again.
If you're good at something, never do it for free.
So are you good at something like math, playing guitar, or staying fit? Well, you can share your skills and knowledge by offering online coaching sessions. You can use the video chat apps like Zoom, Skype, Google Meet, so that you can connect with people who want to learn from you. And you don't have to spend time hustling in public transit. Plus, it's a great way to help others while earning some extra money on the side. Next side hustle idea can be very useful to build the career you want, which is freelancing. Now, you can start freelancing as a side hustle, but a lot of people nowadays are quitting their job to be a full-time freelancer. It gives them the freedom of working with their own schedule while sharpening skills with every completed project. So if you're in school studying computer science, you can apply for gigs on freelancing websites where you can create software solutions for clients. Or if you're in digital marketing courses, you can take the projects related to digital marketing or social media marketing. Now, there are many possibilities in almost every field. So if you have a talent like graphic design, video editing, data analysis, or coding, you can use your skills to freelance your work and do the projects for the clients. Now, websites like Upwork and Fiverr let you create the profile and you can find gigs that match your abilities. And initially, you can start with low rates and you can increase your rate with time and experience. You can work on your own schedule and earn money for your hard work. Next side hustle can also be called a type of a freelancing, but it has its own branches and number of opportunities. And this is becoming an online writer. Now, you have many options here. The reason why I said it can be called a type of freelancing is because there are freelancing opportunities for writers. For example, becoming a script writer or copyright content writer for clients. Many YouTube creators seek for good script writers to write the script for their YouTube videos. And there are companies who hire writers to write the articles about their products or services. And if you are a good writer who loves to share your thoughts and ideas, you can make money by writing articles or blog posts online. There are websites like Medium and Container that let you publish your writing and earn money based on how many people read your work. So it's a great way to express yourself and earn some extra cash at the same time. Moving on to the next one. Now, this is very traditional and it's easy to start side hustle. When you can't find anything, you always have this option, being a delivery driver for food delivery apps like DoorDash and Uber Eats. I have done this and it has paid my bill being a student for a very long time. There was a time when I had a part-time job in a bakery as a student, but the schedules were very strict. Plus, it was a very hectic job, standing 8 hours with 2 breaks in between, and sometimes just a lot of physical work and heavy lifting were involved. The pay was actually good enough, what any student can ask for, and a lot better than the usual food chains and retail stores. But I just couldn't. I felt it quite exhausting, and what did I do? I just quit. And I started doing Uber deliveries. I had done Uber deliveries before. I used to do this like 3 to 4 hours every day during COVID days. But after quitting my job at the bakery, this became my full-time job for about 4 months. Sure, it didn't pay me as handsomely as the bakery, but I was very happy and free. I used to roam around in downtown Toronto. I guess it was my first summer in Toronto after the COVID restrictions were lifted. The city was lively and I explored places. It was fun to roam around and while I was getting paid for it. And the best part about this option is when you have an emergency expense coming up or suddenly you have to buy something which wasn't planned, well, you know you can get on the bike and you can get the money for it. And a lot of students actually have cars, and if you're one of them, then you can also explore the options of grocery deliveries with Instacart or Uber. I will leave the referral links for all these delivery platforms in the description so that when you sign up, you can avail some additional promos like make X amount of bonus money for a number of deliveries. Now, next one is very popular and is still one of the best side hustles. It's the pet sitting or dog walking. Now, I have never had a pet before, so I don't have any experience in this area. But if you are an animal lover or you are someone who loves to spend their time with pets, you can make money by pet sitting or dog walking for people in your neighborhood. Now, there are websites like Rover and Wag. They let you create a profile and connect with pet owners who need someone to take care of their furry friends. It's a fun and rewarding way to earn some extra cash. And by the way, I have never had a pet before, but that does not mean that I'm not an animal lover. I almost like all types of animals, and maybe one day I will have a pet, but it's just a huge commitment and I'm just not ready for it yet. Now, with the next one, we are back to being digital. It's a virtual assistant. Now, the purpose is just like the virtual assistant bots you see on the websites or the apps. Now, these chatbots try to resolve your problems without you having to explain everything to a customer service rep or them having to interact with you. The only difference is you will be doing this for some busy professionals or solopreneurs, basically people who have their own business or they are self-employed. So if you are organized and you're good at multitasking, you can work as a virtual assistant for these busy professionals who need help with tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and doing research. You can find virtual assistant jobs on freelancing websites as well, or by reaching out to professionals in your field. LinkedIn is also a very good place to reach out to such people. You can draft a professional email with a resume or cover letter, and you can have a chat with them. And if they like your communication style and your energy, they would love to hire you so that you can help them with day-to-day tasks. It's a great way to gain some experience and earn money while helping others stay organized. Now, last but definitely not the least, becoming a short-form content creator. Now, do you love making short videos or posting funny pictures? This is the era of digital content, and while YouTube videos were and are popular sources of consuming information and entertainment, today this has majorly shifted towards the short-form contents. With the introduction of TikTok, Instagram Reel, and YouTube Shorts, the viewers have choice of spending their time on these platforms and getting more in less time. So people don't want to stick around to very long form contents until it's very engaging throughout the whole video. So you can turn social media skills into cash by creating short form contents on these platforms. These platforms allow you to share entertaining videos with your followers. So if you're good with making funny videos that people can relate with, you can provide these type of entertainment in a shorter video. Or if you are someone who like to share knowledge, suggestion, information, you can do all these in short videos while keeping your audience engaged. And if you can build up a big enough following, you can make money through ads and sponsored posts. And who knows, maybe you would start doing this full time one day. And there you have it, folks. 7 fantastic income ideas for students to explore. Now, you have to remember some of these side hustle ideas would need your patience, consistency, and continuous improvement. Now, with time, as you gain more experience and more skills, you will start attracting more clients or audience. And with a little hustle and creativity, you can turn your spare time into spare change while still acing your studies. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your student friends who can find value from this video. This will also help the channel to reach out to more people who may learn few things from my videos. And what are the other types of side hustling ideas that you know about? Let me know in the comment section below, and until next time, keep hustling.